Welcome to Hommie. Ever wondered about the difference between a sunroom and a screened porch? Let's find out. A sunroom is a fully enclosed space with large windows, designed to let in tons of natural light. It's like bringing the outdoors inside, but with all the comfort of being indoors. A screened porch, on the other hand, is an open-air space enclosed with mesh screens. It keeps the bugs out while letting the fresh air in, perfect for those who love the outdoors but want a bit of protection. Sunrooms are great for year-round enjoyment, providing a cozy space, no matter the weather. Screened porches are ideal for those who love feeling the breeze and being close to nature. At Hommie, we offer custom solutions for both, tailored to your lifestyle and home. Whether you're dreaming of a sunroom or a screened porch, Hommie has you covered. Visit our website or contact us today to start your custom project. Hommie, bringing your outdoor dreams to life.